What's going on, my peoples? Welcome back. You already know what time it is, man. Got the Malibu out here, man, and finna start tearing this thing down, as you can see in the thumbnail. And we're gonna start off with that interior. You did. We're gonna start off with this interior first. Back in the day, when I put up I posted when I first got these seats, and there was a lot of questions, or people wanted to know how I was going to install these, get these installed, and it was rather easy. As you all know, I took the Malibu to B, and you know, he was the one that painted it, but while I was there, I also had him mock up these seats and get them installed for me, and it literally took no time for him to do it, man. No crazy adjustments, and that's what this video is going to be about. While I'm removing all this stuff and getting it all out, I'm gonna just go ahead and go over how these seats got installed. So without further ado, man, let's go and jump into that. But before we get started, you already know what you gotta do for your boy. You gotta like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Definitely smash that light. Let me break it down. Definitely smash that notification bell, that way you can stay alert to all the new drops. You dig? Yeah, that light had got me just then. But back at it, man. I got these seats off Amazon. I've seen them on eBay. Dang, my man got on some low-key, some inexpensive seats. I did, and guess what? They don't really feel inexpensive, man. To be honest with you, man, they're really comfortable, and I like the way they look. That's all that matters. As long as I like it, y'all should love it. You did. So, but like, don't knock these seats, y'all. If you want to get these seats and you feel like, or you want to get some racing seats and you feel like you want a real deal, inexpensive way, these are the ones to go with. I'll make sure I drop that link down in the description. I'm a slim guy. I sit in these seats rather good. You know what I mean? They feel nice and snug. They fit me well. But if you're going to be a little bit bigger, or you're a little bit on the bigger side, you might want to stay away from these seats. They're not all that comfortable because of the bolsters. So as you can see, it's very slim here. But anyways, man, that's in another vid. Y'all check that vid out. And again, you know, check them out. So without further ado, this is how we got this seats installed, man. There was literally no modifications needed on the actual seat brackets that came with it at all. The only thing that B had to do with these seats was he got some angle iron, and he literally, as you can see, we ain't even got this one. Yeah, we ain't even got it screwed down. But because we knew it was coming out. But he got some angle iron, and he literally cut them and weld them down. And he was, you know, I came in, I sat in it just to kind of see like how we wanted the height and all that good stuff. And literally, man, it was nothing. Like, he stacked them, double stacked them, and boom, put them in. Now, if you wanted to adjust these seats and you wanted to raise them up, front or back, you could literally, if you can see this split right here, instead of welding it the way he welded it, because he welded it shut up top and down here, you could literally just break these two and slide them up and down like this and weld it wherever you wanted to weld it, and that will raise the seats or whatever. So the way we got it now is kind of like sitting at a little bit of an angle, upper angle. So you kind of like sit down and you face out. I like the way that fits. Again, the way it sits, because you can kind of see over, and it's not too much of an incline, and it kind of gives me the feel that I have in the Monte Carlo. But now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take these out. I'm gonna go ahead and unscrew these and get these seats out. I want to get this one out. I want to, what's that over there? Oh, I got white stuff everywhere, y'all. I'm making a mess. I got to clean all this. So I'm going to get this seat out. I might go ahead and take this this console out. I'm gonna wait to take that passenger seat out, because what I want to happen is my homeboy is gonna let me borrow a set of wheels. I'm gonna put the wheels on, and then I'm gonna drop this car on some wheel dollies, and we're gonna push it in the center a little bit more, and then I'll be able to work on that side. After we get that seat out, I'm gonna go ahead and take the dash completely out. Keep in mind, we got a digital dash that we're gonna go ahead and install, and it's gonna, I wanna also make sure we get this painted up, get all the little things repaired on it that we need to get repaired on it before we slap it back in, you did? So everything that we did on the Carlo, we doing it here, you did? So let's get with it. So here's a closer look at that bracket. So, and I'm gonna get this all straightened up, man. I had to get a bolt or something in the thing. But basically, as you can see, it's two angle iron cuts. All right. So again, nice little angle iron. You drill a hole at the top, hole at the bottom, and these are literally almost like straight through. Yep. So and then welded them shut. You can see the bead of weld right there. But now if you think about this the way it is now, you could literally, if you didn't bead it already, you could slide it apart and then bead it according to, you know, weld it according to the height that you want. So yeah, pretty easy, simple little bracket situation. And yeah, man, works out well again. So I'm gonna go and get this back on now, cause I need to keep all this together until it's time. Let's see. Alright, man, I think it was like this. If not, we're gonna have to fix this later. Oh, wrong way. So yeah. So that's that, man. So without further ado, man, I'm gonna go ahead and get this. Oh, actually, let me clean my hands real quick. Alright, so without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and take this console out. And to get this console out, that's probably gonna be the end of that for the time being. Let's go and stick this back here. And this here. Yep, take this console out, man. And then when I get the wheels from my homeboy, we're gonna take out the other side. And then we're gonna go in and start dismantling everything else, man. You did. So, real quick video, man. I ain't really want to, you know, do a long video, because again, I just wanted to kind of. So, really quick video, man. All right, so real quick video, man. I ain't really want to tap back in on nothing crazy right now. We definitely got a whole lot of stuff we got to do, but I definitely wanted to address the seats and let y'all in on how we got these in, since I did have some questions, you did. So that's basically what happened, basically how we did it, and again, it works out really, really good, you did. So with that being said, man, I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video. I'm gonna get this out, And then I'm gonna touch back in with y'all later. You did, so stay tuned. Holla at you.